Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm a software developer based in New York and I'm building FlyBy. FlyBy connects airports, airlines, and passengers via the FBA token. FBA will be granted to passengers by airlines and airports as compensation or reward for certain events. FlyBy Seat Swap is the first application built on the platform and allows passengers to swap seats on a flight by exchanging FBA. I joined OST Kit Alpha Phase 3 in order to leverage the OST Ledger and Balance APIs to create an embedded wallet for the FlyBy dashboard. I had two main goals for this proof of concept. The first was to offload the persistence of transaction details to OST and retrieve them on demand via API calls. Second goal was to build a user interface, giving users visibility into the contents of their wallet and ledger. Both goals ultimately led to a more simplified codebase, allowing me to focus on the core features of the product. I will now walk through a demonstration of the proof of concept. Let me start with a high-level summary of what you will see. First, you will see the wallet and ledger interface for an existing user. We'll also display a live log of the backend server that is calling the OST Ledger and Balance APIs. Next, I will simulate a FlyBy seat swap transaction between two existing demo accounts. During this simulation, we'll observe a live log of the backend server triggering the user-to-user token transfer. Once that transaction is complete, we will return to the demo account's wallet and ledger to view the update. We'll conclude the demonstration by visiting the OST view to verify our transaction was successfully posted. The FlyBy applications are live and publicly accessible, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I will be running them on a local server. We'll start our local server, and we'll come over and log in as our demo user to load our wallet view. And looking at the server log, we see calls to the OST balance and token details API. This allows us to see the user's FBA token balance along with a USD equivalent. We can also see the user's wallet address here, which links directly to the OST view. Let's view the user's transactions. Looking at the server log, we see a call to the OST Ledger API and a response. And we display all of these transactions in this list view with the different cards. What I'll now do is simulate a FlyBy seat swap transaction where our demo user here is going to be rewarded FBA. Clear the logs, come over. So we can look at the logs here, and we see calls to the OST action API, so we can get the type of action we want, which is our user-to-user seat swap. And then below we see the successful user-to-user token swap response. And we'll go ahead and return to our user's wallet, refresh the page, and we'll see that we were given additional FBA for this user. And let's go over to the ledger. And we'll see that we have a new transaction here at the top. And we can click to see the view. And we'll look to see that we have a match. Top of our transaction, we see this hash matches our hash here. We see it on the view. And then the last thing we can do is click on just the overall FBA page, scroll down. We see that we've run over 2,000 token transactions, and they're all here on the OST view. So that concludes our demonstration. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please email info@flybynow.com.